Nagbabalik ang programang Agapay Tatak Rosa Rosal and we're still talking about erectile dysfunction. Pero ngayon that we've already actually put down on the table all of the manifestations and symptoms, pag-usapan naman natin ang treatment and management, which is really the most important thing.
Exactly, William. No, Fiona. Sige.
So that is correct, Doc. Ang tanong is, ano yung mga available na treatment para sa may mga erectile dysfunction?
Oo. Kasi lagi natin sinasabi, ang sakit kasi, ang konsepto ko, kailangan positibo tayo. Ang sakit kahit na meron tayong mga lunas na may gamot, no? That's what the show wants to advocate, 'di ba? So ngayon, initially, bigyan natin ng very total, complete history kung saan nagsimula at saan natapos ang erectile dysfunction. Kailangan importante yan eh. Kasi doon natin magagawa ang mga laboratories, kailangan natin yan para ma-check. You can do ultrasound through the male organ para makita natin yung blood supply. Then we execute the management. Ang management kasi natin, we have oral, we have gel patch, we have injectables, you can even have penile prosthesis.
Ay, ano yun? Wait, ano yung penile prosthesis na
May
yun?
nilalagay tayong apparatus, William, into the male organ sa ng lalaki. Tapos may pump yun.
Hinahanginan.
Hinahanginan mo yon pag
Hala.
gagawin mo yung pagtatalik sa iyong
Hindi ba yun masakit, Doc?
esposa. Hindi kung tatay for erection
Hindi.
Actually yung aspeto na yun, Fiona, marami kasing ayaw doon kasi sometimes nagkakaroon ng infection, disalignment, minsan lumalabas yung apparatus, lalabas doon sa are. Parang lumalabas siya. Tapos kailangan mong reattach yun ulit. So, it's kind of hassle, painful, and sometimes not aesthetically maganda.
Yes.
Then your partner, you have to train how to do the pumping also para, maayos yun. Kasi baka...
So, it's team effort. It's very not nice to look at. Okay, so Doc,
tapos yung bago, yung shockwave.
di ba? Shockwave meron.
Yes.
Ano ang shockwave? Parang mahirap yung parang you're killing a kidney stone.
No naman. Meron tayong bago ngayon, William, Fiona. Yung parang i-increase natin ang ability to regenerate and rejuvenate your nerve sensitivity, which is very sensual.
So, restoring.
Restoring, and yung blood vessels natin na humina na para kasi yung para lumakas siya ulit, ma-achieve natin ulit
So
yung
ba yung parang
very good.
kinokuryente, Doc, yung nerves?
I think you stimulate it. Kasi
Stimulate.
pag kuryente, matatakot ang mga Hindi, you stimulate it to regain back its activity and yung senses. Yung
And how do we stimulate? Using TENS? How is it?
No, we use a machine now.
And I know that you have this here. Ang alam ko, you do have it here.
It
So
is
talagang good news yan sa mga kalalakihan ngayon na
Yes,
there's no excuse to not, function.
Yeah. And it's part of the algorithm natin sa ating treatment now with erectile dysfunction. Hindi lang oral gels, gel patch, injectable, yung sabi mo,
Natatakot ako
penile
dun,
prosthesis, then we have mga shockwaves. These are very, very minimal shocks just to
How long are these treatments, by the way?
30 minutes.
Okay.
But it comes in session.
And how long
depending
do they
on,
last?
They can last, very effective. There's
Yun
very
nga.
good results, especially if you come treat on the onset of erectile dysfunction. Kagaya tinatanong kanina, William, ni Fiona, yung onset, ibig sabihin, pag na-catch mo, di ba tinanong mo ko, kailangan punta ka na agad. Huwag mo nang patatagalin.
Huwag ka
Huwag
nang
na mag-antay
mahiya.
ng 1 week, gano'n.
Oo, even 1 month. Oo, even 1 year. Oo, mahirap na yun, di ba?
Para lang yan cancer. If you catch it on stage 1,
True.
stage
True,
0,
true.
there's a bigger chance of being
Exactly.
able to cure it.
Agree.
Yung, Doc, sa dami ng mga herbal medicines ngayon na lumalabas, herbal medicines ba nakakatulong talaga? Kasi ang dami. Kung sino-sino lang bibili, nakikita ko yan sa Mercury, for example, nakapila ko, ang daming bumibili ng herbal thing na parang nga sa bayag.
Minsan,
Ganun.
nasa harap pa yun,
Oo nga, correct.
Di ba,
So, talaga bang nakakatulong ba talaga yun?
Okay, we have to be very careful and very cautious on herbal supplements that can really trigger erection. Depende, kasi may iba kasi linalagay ingredients na may sildenafil ang action. So, hindi nating alam, William, Fiona, kung how much milligrams are placed or activated. Can you imagine if it was sold or given to you in the market or whatever, whoever, na walang prescription, walang guidance sa management, yun na sasabihin natin, it tends to be a happy pill but it ends up very notorious but because it might act something parang against
Sa body.
nitrates
Oo.
or everything. So baka yung hype mo meron ka pero hindi siya graduated. Alam mo, hindi siya hindi siya yung tamang binibigay sumobra. Kasi pag
I see.
sumobra yan, it becomes dangerous and
Okay,
complicated.
so
Yun na
talaga-
naman sa supplement.
Calibrated dapat.
Yeah, pero may iba naman supplements which are very very nice to enhance. I would see if it's very good, may certification yung mga enhance. I like those who have to enhance the libido. Kasi when you enhance the libido, diretso na
Correct.
erection.
How do you enhance the libido?
It sends the trigger mechanisms to increase the testosterone levels of production.
Malaking role ba si Mrs. dito sa factor na to na nagkakaroon ng ED ang isang partner?
Of course.
Bakit, Doc? Like, for example, anong dapat niyang gawin? For example, ako Mrs. Ako yung Mrs. Mayroon akong partner na nagkakaharap ng ganitong problema. So, ano dapat ang gawin?
You should be patient, you should be considerate, and you should know that men also suffer illness especially. And this is very delicate in itself. No? This is one of the sacred, sinasabi natin na temple ng kalalakihan. Kasi mahirap kasi pag meron na siyang suffering na ganyan, ED, you start striking your husband, useless ka na, wala ka ng silbi, everything,
Mas lalo magiging worse.
Magiging worse siya, tapos yung anxiety and depression will cause more problems to the ED.
So, it can really also lead to depression if your partner is not really like supportive or hindi parang wala dun sa level na caring and all.
That's why I like it when I go to consult ng mga pasyente ko when the wife is there.
Mhm.
Kasi mas maganda yun,
Actually, Fiona, kasama yan sa mga wedding vows eh. For better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health. Kasama ito.
Totoo.
Oo, kasama
Totoo.
yan.
Okay.
Yun.
So at this point, Doc Joseph, any final messages to our viewers, no? Especially yung mga nahihiya aminin, no? Para bang that they're having this problem na kailangan talaga nilang yan. They got to face it.
Actually, William,
head on.
Fiona, maganda to na pag-uusapan natin. May iba kasi nakikinig sa atin, lagi sinasabi, ay, narinig ko na, paulit-ulit. Hindi natin sinasabing paulit-ulit. Kasi lagi natin sinasabi, ang datos ng mga individual ay bumabata. And that tends to be a problems later on in the sa ating society. Now, ang maganda kasi to, meron tayong mga management, mga treatment, pumunta lang kayo sa espesyalista ninyo at bibigyan kayo ng sapat na paggamot, and rest assured, syempre, kung kaya, magagawa pa natin ng paraan. Syempre, pag hindi, meron naman mga solusyon na pwede nating ibigay sa inyo para matuwa naman ng husband and wife.
Correct.
Diba?
Okay. So, at this point, Fiona, and thank you very much.
Thank
Alam mo,
you.
I really feel really proud and happy that magkasama tayo ngayon. Sa totoo lang, matagal na natin pinaplano ito.
That is
Buwan-buwan na rin eh.
correct.
Di
Oo,
ba?
at maraming salamat din for having me today. It's so much fun. Talagang sobrang natuwa ako. Ang dami kong insights na natutunan. Nasa babae, syempre, malaking tulong din to. Yung knowledge ba? So thank you. Thank you for having me and thank you for this talk.
At yan ang gusto natin. Kung si Fiona maraming natutunan, gusto natin ang mga viewers natin. Ganon din, di ba? So, Doc,
importante yan kasi you get advice or knowledge from the specialist or your doctors, whoever you would be invited in the future para hindi saan-saan nakukuha yung mga ideas nila at mahirap yun.
at saka ito si Dr. Joseph, isa itong multi-awarded celebrity doctor. Napakagaling nito. Kung papayag nga ang mga bossing natin na meron siyang isang magandang clinic sa Laguna, lahat ng mga pinag-usapan natin, I think, under one roof, di ba? Under one roof. And then he can explain how you can cure this. Itong mga cameraman namin, kung meron man na ganun ang problema, pwede na silang magpatingin doon. Bigyan natin ng sample. Okay? So, thank you very much, Doc Joseph, for being here with us on our pilot episode of Agapay, Tatak, Rosa Rosal. And dito pa lang, natulungan na natin ang ilang mga tao to understand, no? At it's it's not that bad. Kumbaga, it's not a death sentence. Kailangan lang talagang agapan.
Yes, oo. Siyempre, William, isang call mo lang, pupunta na ako dito. Diba?
Okay,
And thank
sige.
you. It's my pleasure to be part, no, Fiona, sa inyong bagong show. At
Okay.
least alam ko, tatagal ito.
Yes.
Kailangan, siguro guest mo ko ulit.
Okay.
We have another topic na mas interesting. And thank you for guesting me.
Okay, Doc, can you please tell us where we can locate you, your contact numbers or clinic hours at kung saan?
Okay. I have my social media. You can connect me to Dr. Joseph Lee sa YouTube, sa TikTok, sa Instagram. Or pwede yung nabanggit mo nga, William, yung bagong center natin, Rejuvenative and Aesthetic Wellness Center.
In Binyan.
In Binyan, you can look at it in YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook.
Alright, thank you so much, Doc. Ang dami kong natutunan ngayong hapon na ito at natutuwa talaga ako sa mga topics natin today.
Yeah.
And again, William, thank you rin for having me sa pilot episode.
Okay, so at this point, I'd also like to thank the whole team of DATV for making this dream come to a reality. Sana tatagal po tayo. So that wraps up our pilot episode of Agapay Tatak Rosa Rosal. Magkita-kita muli tayo next week. Same show, same channel, different topic. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po sa lahat.